Today on DelftStack, I will show you how to fix the Xbox Game Bar error when screen recording is not working on a Windows PC. First, we will repair or reset the Xbox Game Bar. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Open Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find Xbox Game Bar. Click on the three dots, then open Advanced Options. Here you will see two buttons, Repair and Reset. Click Repair first. When it finishes, test the game bar. If it still does not record, come back and click Reset. This will rebuild the app with clean default settings. Next, we will check for Windows updates and Microsoft Store app updates. Open Settings again and go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install anything that appears. After that, open the Microsoft Store. Click the library icon and select Get Updates. This updates all apps, including Xbox Game Bar, which can fix recording issues. Now make sure the Game Bar is actually enabled on your PC. Open Settings again, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar. Turn on the switch that says Open Xbox Game Bar using this button. If this setting is off, the Game Bar will not record. The next step is updating your graphics drivers. Recording problems often happen because the GPU driver is outdated. If you are using an NVIDIA card, open the NVIDIA app and update your driver. If you use AMD, open AMD software and install the latest version. If the issue still appears, we will reinstall the Xbox Game Bar using PowerShell. Open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and choose Run as administrator. When the window opens, type this command exactly. Get AppX package Microsoft.Xbox Gaming Overlay. Remove AppX package, press Enter. This will uninstall the Game Bar completely. When it finishes, open the Microsoft Store and search for Xbox Game Bar. Install it again. After reinstalling, launch the Game Bar once and test the recording feature. After doing all these steps, the error should be fixed. Thank you for watching.